OMG, dapat guys, dahil winter ngayon, what we do, our content for day, kasi, di ba, libreng, it's summer, no? It's summer na, di ba? Ulan. Ligo tayo dito sa ulan. Samahan niyo ako today, Dawarkad, okay? And sometimes, it's summertime because asa bahay tayo. Meron tayong home quarantine. All we do here, dito tayo, ligo tayo sa ulan. So, samahan niyo ko ako. Alika, lapitan niyo ko. Samahan niyo ko. We take shower together right here under the rain. Alright? Free admission, free entrance. Yes, I'm here right now. I'm here in outside because when I wake up I feel really hot, and of course free admission. Halika, samahan mo ako. And then of course we got a faucet in right there. Makakatulong din yan. I like it, but it's some thunder. Nagtatanda early morning, and I thought, oh, hindi na magka-experience man ako maligo sa ulan. Samahan mo ko. Halika. Halika, magtakbuhan tayo sa ilalim. Halika, samahan mo ako. The good thing is free admission. Yes, mainitan ka. Hindi mo kailangan punta sa resort. Tumuturo ang ulan. Halika, samahan mo ako. Diba? Rank dito, rank peasant. Yes, itinutok ko and boy, walang the police. Yes, boy, yung ano yun, yung pusa ng tubig. Yes, of course. Yes. Samahan niyo po ako. This is a very good thing, you know. And I'll take the shampoo. Ang shampoo. Yes. No, I'm only joking. No, because especially when I take a shower, I like the spice, all the spice. All the spice is really good for our skin. And of course, this one my favorite. Favorite paborito dito ng aking tata. Yes, inapost ko sa aking balat, and of course, ginagawa ko na rin sa shampoo oil, and of course, syempre, kailangan din natin yan, and of course, we can do stand up. Ooh, you can leave it, eh. Yes, of course. This the most important is this is my favorite. All these pies, and of course, Nivea. Yes, pampakinis ng mukha. Yes, pampabata. And of course, ayokong tumanda. Gusto kong kuminis, gusto kong bumata. Well, eto na. Ito lang ang katapat niyan. Nivea. Yeah, Nivea cream. At iwash natin ang face natin. Yes, para mawala ang ating mga mag-clean ba yung mga push heat ba, and of course linisin mo yan, kutkurin mo yan. Oy, nung sinaunang panahon ay Clorox, ano lang ang kinigudgud ko, yung Ajax lang, oy, di ba? That's the most important things, you know. When we got home, we not feel bored during the quarantine, and of course when we see the nature, it's raining outside.
sad. Yes. We need the dry towel to make it dry. Of course, our hair. And of course, punasan ang ating basang katawan. Yes, I like it, when I first time in the shower in the rain, it will feel good. When I really feel like sometimes really got stressed, just go outside. Siyempre, free admission yan, di ba? Sa loob ng bahay, free shower sa loob ng bakuran. Huwag lang sa bubong, baka ikay mahulog. And of course, yes, advisable ito, pampaganda ng balat. Tumayo ka. And of course, punasan mo ang mga natutuyong balat, ang mga basang balat mo. Yes, mapus ka, ika nga, pagkakalooban ka. Well, the good thing is really good. And of course, when we go outside, sometimes it's raining outside. What we do is go. Ito lang kailangan ko, Nivea at the oldest bike is really good. I used it almost like 25 years sa body wash ng ating katawan. And of course, paborito din kasi ng tatang ko yan. No, yes. And of course, libat tayo. I wanna go outside. I wanna go the outside, but on the rooftop. So I'm worried about really before because it was the thunder and so raining, and so I'm a little bit scared. And of course, yun, pinakita ko na ang ginamit ko. Ang kulit ko, no? Hindi rin ako makulit, no? Yes, and of course, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na may good shoutout sa lahat ng aking mga member. Eto, naligo si Queen Angie sa ulan. Yes, and of course, we go on the top para makita natin ang view. It's still raining, and of course, I feel like some the thunder, but I wanna finish my vlog, and I wanna finish to make this one for my content. Wet, blue. Yes, it's the good news. It's okay. Free tayong maligo sa ulan. Walang free entrance, di ba? Yes, that's why. Look at that. I feel real better, and I think I really feel young ka dyan. I'm 46 years old na, and I thank you, yes. Kung naniniwala ka sa katagang, matalino man ang machong matin na mahilig sa saging na maputi ang kilikili, ngunit na isantin. And of course, pwede tayong mag-emote. Yes, pwede tayong umupo. Pwede tayong mag-moment. Yes, we can tell some story. Many stories, splendid things sometimes when we talk. And of course, the honesty is too much. Okay, mission accomplished, natapos na naman ang araw na to. Mula sa oras na to, andyan ka, andito ako. Yes, nagbibigay ng ligaya at saya na para sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a down, comment, like down below. And of course, you can click the bell button, and of course, you can join the membership. I love you. Bye-bye. See you next time.